I'm gonna show you in this tutorial how to add to bag button on your Wix website. So what you're gonna need to do here is just to click on add elements from here, click on add elements, and then here we have add to bag. So now this is just a store, but I'm just gonna change to tutorials. I'm gonna change to this page, and now I'm gonna add a blank section, and then on this black section I like to add this black to add to bag. Okay, now sorry, I don't know what's moving down. Now here, look, now we can click on edit button, and then from here we can edit. Incredible. We can edit the products, we can edit, so the product, you're gonna connect this button to, we can connect this to maybe choose a product, connect this to this product, and then here we have general. So you have button. I really don't get it why it's just going down here, so I'll just move it here. Let me know if you know why it's doing this. I've tried like cleaning my browser, I tried different browser, still didn't work. Anyways, maybe now I hope it's not doing this. So here we have the style, come on. I'm sorry for this. So here we can of course duplicate, and here we can change the, of course, the name of this button. We can also stylize this, so we can change the fill color to maybe this one, this color, text color to black, and increase the text size. Now border color, if you want to add border color, you can. Corner radius as well. And hover, when you hover, it's gonna turn into red. Yeah, you can. And preview, and here how is turning to black, and the text is white. So yeah, from here now we can change the style, hover, and then animation. You can add some animation here. To hide, you can hide and show, and delete. I have also more, bring in front, move towards, duplicate, copy, and cut. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching. Just don't forget, for product, you can link, from here you can link the button to your product, then general, rename the button, and then style, change the style of the button color. And now here we can also preview, so I can click on here on the button, check out this display in preview mode, disable, so I just need to click on here. But anyways, now it just worked. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below, and thanks for watching.